Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. It is Friday night, y'all. You know what that means if you've been following me for a while. Friday night cake night. And this is the birthday month of March, and I'm doing one of my mama's favorite cakes, 7-Up pound cake. This is definitely old school. Everybody, if you're old school, I know you had 7-Up pound cake. And I'm going to do it old school for her, and I'm not going to put no icing on it. Kind of cut back on the sugar intake, so I'm going to just do it old school. No icing, no frosting, no nothing. Just regular 7-Up pound cake. So let's get started, y'all. Very simple recipe, like every pound cake. Cream, the butter, and sugar. And y'all, just to let you know, there's no leavening agent in this. The leavening agent, meaning the rising agent, is going to be the eggs. I'm going to whip a lot of air into the eggs. And that's what's going to allow this cake to rise. I have no baking powder, no baking soda in this cake at all. It's going to rise naturally. So, got butter and sugar, 3 sticks of butter, 3 cups of sugar. You think that's a lot of sugar, but it's really not. So I'm going to go and whip a lot of air into this cake right now. And I'll be back here in about, I like to whip this about 5 minutes. To give it nice and creamy, and then I'll come back, add the eggs slowly. I'll add the vanilla flavoring and the lemon extract in there, and then the flour and the 7-Up. And this cake is very simple, very easy. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna add the eggs slowly here. Now the recipe calls for 5 eggs, but y'all see I'm adding 6 of my eggs right here are very small, so that's why I'm adding 6. Now another thing, y'all, make sure when you have your eggs and your butter and even your 7-Up, make sure it's all room temperature. It's very important. It's always important if your eggs are room temperature, your butter is room temperature, and your 7-Up. Don't just take the 7-Up out of the refrigerator and try to make this cake. It's not going to be light and moist and fluffy like it's supposed to be. One more time here. Okay, you can see this cake is very nice and light already. Then I'm gonna add the flavor, the lemon, which brings out the I like using lemon because it's lemon extract with 7-Up cake. It just brings out the 7-Up flavor. Okay, y'all, I'm going to add the last 2 ingredients, which is the 7-Up and the flour. Y'all know I start with dry, end with dry. Start with dry, end with dry. Remember, y'all, there's no baking powder, no baking soda in this. Let's some more flour here. 7 Up. Scrape this bowl down a little before I add the last of the flour. I say y'all, making cake is so easy. Y'all see me make them every week, so you should know that by now. And the last of the flour, y'all. That's it. Y'all know I definitely don't like to over mix my cake batter. I'll do the rest by hand here. I like to mix the rest by hand. I don't mess with it, don't want to over mix it. See that? And that's it, y'all. Now, we're gonna put it in our tube pan here. I did good this week, y'all. I didn't get any inside the hole there. And you just spread it around here nicely, nice and evenly. Make sure you get all this over here. And that's it, y'all. 350 degrees for an hour and 10 minutes. And when we come back, y'all, we're going to have a nice, fluffy 7 Up pound cake, old school style. So we'll be back in about an hour and 10 minutes. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I just took the cake out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool in here in about 10-15 minutes, and I'm going to take it out and let it rest on a wire rack and cool completely. And then we'll come back and cut us a slice up. So it took about an hour. This took an hour and 5 minutes. So I suggest after an hour to check it out, because every stove is different, y'all. So after an hour, maybe even after 50 minutes, just kind of look at it and check it out and make sure it's not overcooked or burn up or anything like that. Because like I say, I check mine after 50 minutes and kind of check it out. So this took an hour and 5 minutes. So anyway, I'll be back once I get it out of the pan here, cooled off, and then we'll take a slice. We'll be right back. Like I said, I'm not going to put any icing on this. I'm just going to take it out, let it cool, and just have just a regular old school pound cake like my mama makes. No icing on it. Like I said, she can't eat a lot of sugar and stuff, so I try to make the cake as simple, as plain as possible. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Now, cake is completely cool, and we're going to try it out here, y'all. See what we got here. See what I ain't going to put no icing on it or nothing, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Nice pound cake, 7 Up. See that? Let's try this out here. Let's try this out. That's all she wrote right there, y'all. Nice, moist, flavorful. Nothing like 7-Up pound cake. And that little vanilla extract, like I say, that really brings out the taste of the 7-Up. It really works good together. Very simple pound cake. Perfect for my mom. Like I said, not a lot of sugar on top. Sugar in the cake, of course, but nothing much to it. So, another Friday night cake in the books, y'all. So anyway, let me close out this video like I close every video out. Please visit my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And remember the hashtag 2021 is help somebody, old school soul food. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.